Okay. Gyrator. In order to calculate S matrix for the gyrator, what we have studied, when a gyrator is a two-port network, of course we have studied that, and it is going to produce a phase shift of 180 degrees when wave is transferring from port 1 to port 2, and when it is wave is transferring from port 2 to port 1, it is going to produce a phase shift of 0 degrees. 1 to 2 the phase shift will be 180 degrees, and from 2 to 1 the phase shift is going to be 0 degrees. So based on this we are going to see the properties of S matrix for the gyrator. And as the gyrator is a two-port network, we are going to have an S matrix of order of 2 by 2. And if the two ports are perfectly matched, if both the ports are perfectly matched, then S11 and S22 are going to be zeros. And C, third property, from port 1 to port 2, 180-degree phase shift is existing. When wave is transferring from port 1 to port 2, there is a phase shift of 180 degrees, 1 to 2. So the suffixes having 1 2 and 2 1, they will be equated with a minus symbol, because from 1 to 2 there is a phase shift of 180 degrees. So S12 will be equals to minus of S21. S12 will be equals to minus of S21, and similarly you can write S21 is equals to minus of S12 also. As there is a phase shift between 1 to 2, you are writing S12 is equals to minus of S21, or you can write S21 is equals to just sending like S21 is equals to minus of S12. So substituting the values in equation number 1. So substituting these, I mean following second property and third property and substituting those values, what do we get? S is equals to, of course when both were matched, S11 S2 are going to be 0, so we are substituting, and S12 we are writing as it is, and in place of S21, in place of S21 you can write minus of S12. So this is what we got, scattering matrix. So now we need to calculate what will be the S12 value. So what is the fourth property? What do we have? Multiplication of matrix with its complex conjugate, that is going to be an result unitary unit matrix or identity matrix. So we are doing that, and here row 1 same, sorry, R1 and C1, R2 and C2. So we are performing that. When you are performing that, this is what you are going to have, minus of S12 into S12 star is equals to 1. And here you can, as there are two S parameters with same suffix, you can apply magnitude of minus of S12 into S12, sorry, just give me a second now. So as there are two parameters with same suffixes, you can simply replace that with a single parameter, like magnitude of S12 whole square is equals to 1. So this is unnecessary for us. You can directly write after this, magnitude of S12 is equals to S12 whole square is equals to 1. So from this S12 is going to be 1, and if you have S12, if you have S12, then you can easily have S21, because S21 is equals to minus of S12. So when S12 is equals to 1, then S21 is going to be minus 1. So now you have S12 and S21. So substitute them. So after substituting, what do we have? S is equals to 0 1 minus 1 0. So this is going to be the scattering matrix for gyrator. So now we need to have the relation between input and output ports, like B is equals to S into A. So we'll be applying that B, as it is a two-port network, B1 B2 and 2 by 2 S matrix, and A1 A2. So what will be B1? B1 will be 0 into A1 plus A2. So B1 is equals to A2 and B2 is equals to minus A1. Two cases. In first case, we assume that input is given to A1. Input is given to A1. Then in that scenario, A2 will be 0. When A2 is equals to 0, then B1 is going to be 0 and B2 is going to be minus of A1. That is, there exists a, as we have minus 1, that indicates that there exists a phase shift between port 1 and port 2 when wave is traveling from 1 to 2. And in case 2, we are assuming that input is provided to the second port, so that A1 will be 0. So here B1 is equals to A1. See here, when you are giving input to A1, you are going to have a minus symbol. Okay, and when you are going to provide your input to A2, that is nothing but wave is transferring from second port to first port. When it is transferring from second port to first port, there won't be any phase shift. So in order to represent that, here P1 is equals to A2. Minus indicates a phase shift of 180 degrees, and as there is no minus, that indicates that there is no phase difference when wave is traveling from 2 to 1. So this is about the scattering matrix calculation for the gyrator. Ma, did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very simple. It's a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay.